Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is leaking from the bottom while cooking, it can be quite concerning. This issue often arises due to a worn or damaged seal, which can lead to not only messy kitchens but also potential damage to the internal components if left unresolved. Ignoring this problem could lead to more serious malfunctions, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement seal, and a soft cloth to clean any spills. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and cooled down completely before starting the repair. Carefully remove the base of the machine by unscrewing the screws located underneath. Be gentle with the screws to avoid stripping them. Once the base is off, inspect the seal around the bowl. The worn or damaged seal is often the culprit for the leaks. To remove it, gently pry it off using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old seal is removed, take your replacement seal and fit it into the designated groove, ensuring it's seated properly all the way around. After this, carefully replace the base of the Thermomix. Align it properly with the screws, and gently screw them back in, ensuring you don't over-tighten them as this may cause damage. Finally, plug the machine back in and run a test to ensure there are no leaks. If everything is in order, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the seals regularly and avoid any food particles getting trapped in the grooves. This will help maintain the integrity of the seals and keep your Thermomix functioning optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.